everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know I've missed last month's box. I wasn't able to share with you. I had a problem with recording, but anyway, we won't dwell into that. So here comes the October Crafty Bonbons box, and as you can see from the little leaves that are here as a confetti, it's autumn themed box. So let's get right to it. Okay. Ooh, one more. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you is the info about the box and the collaboration between Ali and Debbie, which is Crafty Alley Cat on Etsy and Bonbons Kawaii on Etsy. So they've collaborated to produce Crafty Bonbons, which is really cute. So that's a bit of information. Just remember there's a Facebook group, and that's where you get sneak peeks and they do giveaways regularly. So what do we have here? So, oh, a good reminder. It says clocks go back 31st of October. Do you know what? I always like these things because I can put them in my journal. Oh no, my planner / journal. That would be really good. You get like a woody bamboo type pen. And I think, yep, it's black, which is great because I can use that for work. You get a little mushroom charm. Oh, that is really cute. So I have this little mini TN, and it's got like autumn things in here. So I think that will be a great charm on the spine. So I'm gonna pop it here. That is cute. That is so cute. So that's gonna remain in there. Right, let's leave it like that. And then you get a roll of washi tape. It's foiled one. This time I won't open it. Hope you can see that. And you get a little box of, I think these are sticker flakes. Oh, cute. These are mushroom stickers. That is so cute. There's plenty of them here to choose from. Yeah, and you get a few of each kind. Oh, so that's that. Oops. Okay, so that's that little parcel there, and I think this goes with that one. Sure. And then you get, so Debbie and Ali tends to personalize your boxes. So I have this squirrel silhouette with my initial on it, which is cute. Get another bunch of stickers. I think this time these are transparent stickers. Oh my god, let me just get that. So they're like little mushrooms. Oh, they're cute. The flowers. Not hats. Shrooms. More shrooms. Oh my god, this is a cute little girl. Look at that. So little girls as well. Ribbon. And another little girl. That's cute. So we'll put that onto one side. And you always get a little kind of like packet of ephemera and bits and bobs. So you get buttons, like a little clip. Then you get like little ephemera bits. So tab. You know what? I'm gonna put this in there so they don't get lost. It's cute. And then you get a little kind of like die cut, mushroom die cut. And I think this is from one of these like paper, but it's like a shaped one. So I might put that together with the other one. Then I know she so Ali put a post out about this silhouette jars. Oh my goodness. Right, let's just okay. And obviously this has come with some instructions. So you basically, using a glue double-sided tape, stick the vellum to the back and trim off any overhang. Peel the clear transfer tape with a vinyl stuck to it. Stick the vinyl decal to the back and front and vellum and peel away the clear transfer. So you basically make your own kind of like silhouette glasses. There's just vellum there, I think. Oh. Okay. That's a good project. However, I've got like 2 vellums in there, so that might be one of them as a sample. Yeah, that's cute. So I just hope I can put it onto like, yeah, we'll think about something about that. Then you get these sticky labels that you can put on envelopes, on your letters and stuff. You can put address and stuff, or you can use it as a sticky note in your journal, just to kind of like use it as your, to document, do your writing on. Then you get a packet of die cuts. Again, oh, these are gorgeous. These are amazing. Right, let's see. So you get a raven, pumpkins, some foliage. It makes me want to kind of like do another fall themed TN entry. I don't know, I'm loving all this foliage. Oh my goodness, these are cute. Because the thing is, I think I've used some of Ali's. Yeah, I've used some of my last year's CraftyBonbons bits in here. So these are stickers from CraftyBonbons, that one. Yeah, most of the stickers in here that I've used are from my CraftyBonbons box. So I don't know, I'm just feeling the vibe of another autumn themed insert. So we'll pop that onto one side, and I always request for an A5 TN insert. These are lovely. You can tell the cover is really good and the paper is so smooth. It's really lovely. Then you get another pack of die cuts. Again, autumn themed. Ooh. So you get foxes, that's a fox face, another foliage, hedgehog. What is this? Oh, squirrel. This kind of like Victorian lamppost, I guess that is. This is another, it's a fox, another foliage, a flower, and the moon. That's really cute. More die cuts. I love their die cuts. I really do, because I can use them. I've been using them in my journal. Oh, I love that little Mr. Fox. Fox. Oh, these are like fox and rabbits. Oh, I love that. Rabbits, bears, and foxes. I love that. That is really cute. What are these? So these are brown cardstock, or postcards. So you can create your own postcard by using the stuff you've got here. And I think I have an idea on that one. And then you've got a postcard. Oh, that is cute. That is really gorgeous. You've got envelopes, autumn themed envelopes. And I'm sure they will go well with your writing paper, which is here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 writing paper, which goes along well with this envelopes. Then you get postcards, not postcards, journal cards. What am I like? Happy autumn, hedgehogs. I love that, hedgehogs. Autumn bucket list. Oh, want to write into that. Then you get this sticker pocket. That's really cute. That is lovely. Then you get another decal, which is a pumpkin. And what is this? So, oh, this is a printed on whatchamacallit, book page. Oh, it's really cute. That is gorgeous. Oh, beautiful. And then these are the paper, or the papers, and the scrapbook paper. So that's a very good sturdy cardstock. It's one-sided. Got that. Again, very good cardstock. Oh wow, this is cute. This is gorgeous. This is kind of like a very thick paper. And another paper. Oh, it's nearing to cardstock. It's nearing to cardstock. It's a very thick paper. It's flimsy, but it's got like that. And this one as well. Good quality paper. And you get a brown colored cardstock. So that is it, guys. That's my October Crafty Bonbons box. I am so in love, and I wanted to do something now, so I will do a video to show you what I'm gonna do with these postcards. Okay, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and see you back soon in the next video. Bye, guys.